Alright, we got our delivery of metal today. It just showed up a few minutes ago, and we got our valley metal, our ridge cap, our rake metal. It's much too early in the morning. And no, I'm not working on a house. Not right now. This morning is our Adopt a Highway cleanup. We have adopted 7 miles of highway frontage, and so today I get to pick up trash. At least this morning. We'll get started on the house a little bit later today. But for now, this is my life. And the color, it's a tan. It's called Mocha Tan. Originally we were looking at doing a blue, but well, the price of metal is kind of expensive, and well, they give me a good deal on this color. All right, here we are, metal. We're gonna try today, and you know, my luck, I had help lined up, and they called me and says, "Hey, not gonna make it." So anyway, so we're gonna work on this, but first, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. I bought the flooring for the house only because it was a good deal and it was available. It was like one of these, it's here now, you got to get it now or it goes away. So let me show you what I got. All right, there we have it. This is what we got. We got this Smart Core Pro Extreme Performance Waterproof Flooring. It is a marble-ish. Is that a word? Marble-ish. Looks like marble, but it's 2 foot by 1 foot, and this is normally $4 a square foot. Let's see if I can open it up, and well, I can't. Well, I thought I could open it up. I'm gonna try it anyway. Struggling to get it open. It's a cardboard box. Why won't it open? Finally. And there you have it. It is marble-ish. It's got the rubber backing already on it, so I don't have to put that in. And when they lay down, they just snap together like that. So that's what we're going to be doing on the floor in this house. And almost $4 a square foot. I got it for $1.89. And I actually got all they had because it's more than I need here. But I have other projects coming up, so we're going to use it on multiple projects. Safety first. Glad that's done. Back to the roof now. All right, so we're gonna call it a day. It's after 3 o'clock, and quite frankly, we're tired. I was supposed to have some help show up this morning, and they didn't. I don't know if that's the state of the economy or a state of people or what, but they didn't show up. So I'm gonna see if I can get some more help tomorrow. I'd like to get this thing wrapped up so I don't have to think about it anymore. Go ahead and get the roof dried in. Then I can get on the inside and start finishing up the inside. I didn't want to do anything there until I got the roof dried in. But we got everything done but the cut pieces. I maybe have 3 pieces that don't have to be cut. But I'm going to go ahead and pick up some electric shears so I don't have to tear up my forearms. And it'll be a nice addition to my tool box. So anyway, with that being said, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share the video, ask me a question, I'll answer it. And Ray says, don't be talking about him anymore, unless it's good. Because he reads these comments, and y'all might make him cry. Not really. He just thinks it's funny. But alright, anyway, enough said. I'm not going to bore you to death. Hit the like button, subscribe button. Questions, comments, put them below, and we'll see you next time.